the land of dense forests. Get started. The region between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is the equatorial region. This region has a hot and wet climate. The Democratic Republic of the Congo lies in this region. The Democratic Republic of the Congo, DRC. The DRC is the second largest country in Africa, after Algeria. It has an area of about 23.5 lakh square kilometers. The equator passes through the northern part of the country. Location. The country is located in Central Africa. It is surrounded by 9 countries. Land. River Congo, the second longest river in Africa, flows through the country. This river is known as the Highway of Central Africa. The country lies in the center of the river basin, which is a vast low-lying area, covered with rainforests. It is surrounded by mountains and plateaus. Towards the northeast lie the Avanzori Mountains. Margarita Peak is the highest peak in this range. The country has 4 major lakes, Albert, Edward, Kivu and Tanganyika. These lakes lie along the eastern boundary of the country. Fact-wise. River Congo originates in the highlands of East Africa and flows into the Atlantic Ocean. The famous Inga Falls are in the lower course of the river. Climate. The country has an equatorial climate, characterized by being very hot and rainy throughout the year with high humidity. Mornings are generally pleasant, but at noon, temperatures are very high and the heat is unbearable. Clouds build up gradually, leading to heavy rain in the afternoons. Evenings and nights are cool and comfortable. Wildlife. The forests are rich in wildlife, including gorillas, chimpanzees, monkeys, bonobos, and baboons. Marshy lands are home to hippopotamuses, rhinoceroses, and elephants. Rivers and lakes are full of crocodiles and fish. Okapis and antelopes are found in the forests of Ituri. Lions, cheetahs, hyenas, giraffes, and buffaloes live in the grasslands. Pelicans, ducks, owls, and eagles are some of the birds found here. Vegetation. In hot and humid regions, trees and other plants grow quickly, creating diverse forests. Most trees are tall and form a dense canopy at the top, which even sunlight cannot penetrate. These forests remain green throughout the year and are called evergreen forests, which are dense and difficult to pass through. Economic resources. Farming is the main occupation, supplemented by forestry, fishing, and livestock rearing. Large forest areas have been cleared for farming. The main food crops cultivated are rice, maize, and cassava. Cash crops like cocoa, coffee, tobacco, cotton, rubber, and oil palm are grown and exported. Farming methods are traditional and primitive. The country is rich in minerals including gold, cobalt, copper, cadmium, petroleum, diamond, silver, zinc, manganese, tin, uranium, iron ore, bauxite, and coal. Most minerals are exported. Industries are not well developed, primarily based on agricultural raw materials. with some products like shoes and textiles manufactured in cities. Life of the people. The country is thinly populated, with most people residing in scattered villages. Some migrate to towns for work in mines and factories. Cassava, a root crop, is a staple food, dried and pounded into flour for bread. Fish is also an important part of the diet. The Bantu peoples constitute the majority, characterized by tall stature, curly hair, and Bantu languages. They follow traditional lifestyles, enjoying music, dance, and colorful dresses. The Pygmies, Bambuti, Mbuti, are the original inhabitants, very short, under 150 centimeters. Historically, Europeans drove them into forests where they lived by hunting and gathering food. A few Pygmies still live in the Ichuri forest in the northeast, residing in huts, moving to search for food, and leading a primitive life. Transport. The country has a poor land transport system. Dense forests make it difficult to build railways and roads. Only some parts of the country have roads and railways, and these are not maintained properly. Water transport via rivers has become the chief means of travel, with most people using boats and ferries. Air transport is not well developed due to very few airports. Cities. About 30% of the total population lives in towns and cities. Kinshasa is the capital, largest city, and an important commercial and industrial center. Lubumbashi is the main city in the mineral-rich region. Other big cities include Kananga, Kisangani, Liksi, Kikwit, and Matadi, a port city. The country is developing fast, with export money used to improve infrastructure and provide facilities. Words to know. Canopy, a mass of leaves and branches that spread over an area to form a roof. Forestry, the practice of planting trees and taking care of forests. Infrastructure, the basic facilities and services that people need. For example, schools, markets and hospitals. Quick recap. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is the second largest country in Africa. Its capital is Kinshasa. River Congo is the main river. Farming is the main occupation of the people. Many minerals are found in this country. Industries are mainly based on agricultural raw materials. The country does not have a large population. A majority of the population constitute the Bantus. The Pygmies or Bambuti are the original inhabitants of the country. Kinshasa and Lubumbashi are big cities. Matadi is a port city.